Ndizi TV nereyo kwabekire simu yawe ime. Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'umuguzi.
Mwanchu mwana bono tore na sentunde ya kabira SMS mwana maya siri tukaliga ya Jumamosi ekambu Jumamosi nariko sanga mangana ukwana mange eri bontara kumurekera igoro yoborai namagendro ekero to ukwana na kusanga mwana mwanchu murigeria nyira bano watu bose bane bo comment na korusia ase gambo ya itase margo ya mwana semeli ya Facebook yuko tole live Ndizi TV News digital abega semeli ya YouTube na Ndizi TV News naboko tubwatu wetera bwegase website yetu na butambe www.ndizi.net onyaro kokwa na amona into asema rogoba yabona mange abereka okorekana asoro ngoro gusi meje county ya Kisine county ya Nyamira hayibono alengete siasa tochi kumurekera asema rogoba yabona mwancho mulimono anemono amangana alengete oburai namanga abereka okorekana naraliya gosetura kwanire anemono ndurigere ligoro yobo koreri ashiwoda constituency abego nensemelia yekero kyobo governor ukubwatana kwa baraiba waziri anamono muwaziri wechisemi anamono yoko wasarongoro wagusi ngorukyoko ikaunti ya Nyamira mbaigete bosio obwe bunge kanyara gukwana igoro jobo karibo abono tumekubeni bwana so mwaka bwechiriwe na 20 nabego mwaka bwechiriwe mwaka 20 no yo 2020-2021 kati ya tokumurekera ikaunti ya Kisii na manga korekana maiga yogo utiegesire turatabon Dr. Ndemo nikoranda asentundende chinkuma chikote yabuna ningorigererie ase county assembly ya county ya Kisii bagoteba no monogeri tari mangana ayo ntoja kwa no mwanchu muri ase biro bitere bitemikoda sabono ndiri bakari yane aseri bagabana go cyase abagani beri tukuri yale tojo sanga amo nabarobo bemanyikana go cya sole tumaye kwa kembaka enogo ase margoba yabono karibu sana mushimika cha kuransema yao ase faida jomuri Ndizi TV nabagoteba nakyukorwa karibu sana
Ndizi TV mbiyama so to ali baga se jinga tuneji Nchesa Marieta Varigeria Goropotita Jim Momani Nkaya Nero Machawe Chache constituency.
Anda kanu mwanasiasa Peter Ningu.
Peter is a former aspirant MP Machawe Chache. On the chairman Yabusi Governance Watch. Kiombe kuruane rabanda bataka anabanda ekaba komochiwa.
All right. Yasana nibotana ndo mugido ndi asensemo ya nega na pokote bana kyokoroko ili bonto mago chaka asema rugoba yabono.
Idanga ndana kere de Ndizi TV. Bera mwana sobo kabisa seredio. Njesa malidanga kwa ambassador seregia.
Yes.
Sei tomo macho. One is a contractor. Second is a businessman.
Yes. Yasa mwanchu muri kirebono kantu kwa na manga sa mangana ngete siasa na ndo mai tento atora mangana pending bills no chote be yo manga no contractor chibare mu ateba mu contractor yo mai gwe ntora manyosene ke korele ndicho kwa no mwanchu muri kirya ase biro bitali ebita mushimi wapita njaga kurwa sense mo ya umwa ko tana ya linga ntune ntanga ko boli karo kyo bojumba se bunge
chena boli die kabere gato lakini okoranga au majoga embarang itaba bado tinkumanya patia bantu wao te bana none bitabu ya Nyasaye chinga kichiricha Nyasaye chire chokene yagera tokurwania ebintu against God's will ngagere tenga one time Nyasaye na bakune chira baro che bintu bigenda pandi yirinde bakonya
omushimo kwa buli ntune ntanga ni toileti kwa buli ntunde yakabere toileti kwa buli ntunde yakato toileti na ndege ntenganda kwa moyo ganda kubuli karwekyo
na wanda abasego tigamana kerwe kingi chena nje county ndo chenga ngo chindu wetere kerwe kyo bachumbe ekaro koligere ya ma tekorunka se tutoko manyana mebi ma tegara twa ko mupira isakara ndire kwa kale sakara yo mupira
ndo antoligete
kwa ndinda chiaba yete mane na kubatacha mebi bakatwara li okogecha kule natural bona boko banga bako impress buya jigo ikomoiso na inche na chete ngabera isikwake nkanyara kumanyanga tintagiti nagura abantu bako ngakira chikura nyene kugora, to be honest with you, ngale chikura kugora ambio konre chumuchu. This is what people do.
Igor bako
abange bako gora bamenya kwenda gukora biashara batiga gukora abarimyi amini gukora aba na inji citizens ba be constituency you know what is happening in Bumachoke erenche to me ngoro ngatigenda erenche basiya because yabange, that's what they do.
Yes.
Bono nabari abantu bali bagwa kabone goligereria WhatsApp buyana mbwate 120 WhatsApp demands y'abantu juju group kirosiri bagonsaba school fees abantu babuki university.
Yes.
Gatari access kibesa insinya insoka ko barikeranga genda mu kibesa CCTF genda mu kibesa umuntu mu akrede kigura, but most of them nabongo bakonya. He is a witness.
Yes.
Most of the people I help them.
All right.
Una yango sponsor abana about 17.
Yes.
Abana sponsor the one bari university, by the way. Yes.
Igumushimiwa igototebe na ugotera ko chikura chikure jyawo litwe.
Chikura chikogorwa mchatini bwati that nature. One go in the US. I lived in the US for some time.
Yes.
And president yoro igere uchangira n'abantu ngagenda abantu abakakachuri people $10 $20 $100 bamu achibesa even how do we call this the former president.
Yes.
Is very rich.
Yeah.
Lakini yako changibu. So that yake roko genda kukogwa krisaba Trump. Iko kwa le clear conscience nga nabantu chikokora.
No chokora.
No dinabantu ogochiko ebyasara ogochiko rosira n'kibese.
All right.
That is the culture is egotikwa. I'm used to that as a culture.
Yes.
Because I think it's a civilized way of looking for chikura. Abantu toisiko tige interview konya kosera abantu. People will choose good leaders. By so doing kwa wakora abantu. Abana banyona chibesa chiao instead yo muntu gochigotumea ochikorere byasara na kwira nchiri watu megete.
All right. Igayo kanyatabono amangana yose rwasire ocho runumrai.
Na that's what I want.
What if mangana yose rwo chikorera kwa ni ngane tayari kwangu iga.
Ndaba muchumbe dalio. Because I will not practice that. Yani ngende I buy people muna get kura. Then that's not the thing, because I must be tempted koiba ngira njibesa chiane. That is a human nature. In fact, that is a human nature. You na spend njibesa chiane ukangira. I'm telling the truth. And that is what most MPs want. Gendo tene ni mono CDF.
Yes.
Wanya ndiye serikali ya iteko ligere psychology yaba. Tene ni CDF atana nga tutaka CDF tene ne runa barandia. Kosere timu gete nga kiombe. Moni people mbako five for parliamentary position. Bono iga kwa rocha karaja gete ruta gete komina mina ka CDF. MPs wa cry wakataka kotika ko so parliament ko gamba igore, because that is where the loophole is. Chipesa chiria na chibango tumea bagacha ibaba konya bana inchi chipirongeti bacha kubasera. In that way umuntu oser 1000 ebete umwana ore nyombo tagete school fees ya 30,000 and kiss school utagete school fees ya 50,000 and usenkati no ogo ikanya mbara ya kutaboka hai umwana ore oneme choni ne school mbora chimande tabuati pesa. No, Mwesiwa is busy, but Korea Chibasa Chiriasa, if that thing stops, Abataka will benefit more from what I'm saying.
Oroche gente kyo ngitene na kwase roche ngosire.
Kwase ngolo gosira, oje Chibasa Chiri still kwa CDF. Naende gente kekera teneni na bahaki kura boka banyene.
Biya sana.
Kerebo, ka wato sereire. Lakini ndio chuko wakire kura.
Yes, sir.
That one has happened in Rift Valley.
Yes.
Na ndio anda bataka sana bako bua banda. Bana bale school bako bua banda. Because people elect leaders in Rift Valley. As a kerela bandi na kero borwe wanene kansa ngusi.
Ngusi.
usie abantu baito the following day 3 days to election bakurwara baba barwaire ngango ngantu arwara riemine tinga ntu aba machoni ngo kurwara people don't get sick bali barwara they go to hospital yani baba machoni bakira abantu obochoni banza kurira nande ngabya bana babere baoji university bana batoto baoji university and yet na ubakora to bochoni na ule mwaka matianya la ya ngobochoni obonge bole na
alright whatever na goseru ngulu kuchigosira igondo tema na turuchiko kamba ke ko whatever
I don't care ngambe tinkamba but I will consistently remain with my principle oseru ngulu but
wenda no mugambi suru mugambi wenda no chomo mugambi suru ko
to be honest with you abantu abana barago bogambio they are not most of them are delayed have gone have passed on donc linga nyasa ga kwa tubugima tema ko kora the truth ka kya sango te bakere yo kana ayoli okori chibesa asenjira yo obo liana nyasa na ko chibesa echo aya bataka where it belongs eventually na ko gende mechi ya na siasa bange kwanyora ora kakenga ne chisesa kana timenye to after very few in that convention names I get to the picture most of politicians emechi ye undete
Parwale aso gabe so no
all right baliba yanne tia bantu ba uro you know some of the examples no kakanga ne chisesa chiso kuno kwa jimenya temechi yo emechi cha tegete amare mari ba gravity by in a proper way eride danyo ko nda 70,000 I mean 70 years old lakini hata kete ko iba 10 billion kubona kinga itwese cyokoiba kose cyokoibira abandi na akoibira abananchi na yokoira instead nyasa ku bless okoiruma okoira for example like my kids are very well I'm not bragging but I'm saying what the truth they are learning they are doing good jobs why should I go here nchikoibira bataka
kobwate bintu
byane not casting yabana nyasaya nabage ko bose banamara
it's true
abana bali oko bayire kasi nyoro ko someria abana ba utibasa chidibere dala nanji you are casting them they will not go too far no even abana soma bayike gado ari onye ko kota ko kwade mechi emege no ani etoroja but we don't mention
we cannot mention
it's not constitutionally and legally it's not good emechi emege ko de morana ogata chibese yani tata lakini ogata abana ba kontinya sore abana bagwaire guchya abana bagware bagwata marwaire
igono gateba igobona ibintu byo bikoleterwa okobari chibase abantu
exactly people are crying
because no mutakangurwara ne chiangeraria
in fact let me tell you
Mheshimiwa Weria, no muntu mutaka ngurwarare, no muntu mutaka emijane kumugwatere, ere ni chiangaria.
Waire moro gogocha naturally tweme report unali kubalira acha ko ngorongwe ko musandocha oitachi ngoko chonspi. Ngoko chikalia makosi chako. Waire bore kateba I'm talking about HCAS. HCAS ne ro cha kwanyora. Yani ugwata chibesa pakoko sinyunga ingoko. Ayumo oiberta. Abana kwanya barwaine abandi bakurwara chindurume abandi bakwate bintu kucyabita bwanarati bandi bakunyinya sore that is a curse oise ko bayendo so bitabu yabuja igoko nyona nae ko irete chikasi kiri if these people can be genuine batike ko ibera bataka omaito mutaka korera nyumba nando mada banda bangite capturation no butaka banyero ne crop umuntu mutaka omanyete igarangara ngayikya kuri rero ngayakura rero so na sometimes ngara ko akwali ba ko ba ko ngosero dini ko plan because they are poor
all right
so anda bari mbari ba ko basera ba wanda ba kare ngamno ko basera I am here mo ne rule njiko bakara
ayasenga ki yawo campaign ngwasere
they are I'm in record this guy is from Macho I never said I can tell you njena never said
kalu no te yang na maine ga kech kabe na sere Jimmy Nazareth.
Ndongo kwa na tata kweli ya mna siasa unao kwa.
Lakini Jimmy Nazareth.
Jimmy yo mwenye tali ko US.
Tata iki anda kana kitura tebe kegere tatara.
Tingo tawana na kile tatara. In fact ya ngote yumuraria. Ekengo ile ya kudilika mbele usikuli abantu naoso kawa yawa gambia baya kabisa baso kachikula lakini abantu bakirumo the most in capable leader ujuda iko nyapi bamu beko in few days na bacha kule.
Why do you think baka mashara tegaro muntu myaka ngo
ya community ile invested na watawalia because the majority wangai mbadiko wache nane balikuli nga muntu kitocho
umanyete ntokuligire na muntu mwete muntu kulige kisera wajire muntu kisera abantu itabiro na isa
chile mpaka liburi chikuru mwalia
yes
sera seria liburi chikuru na kale je personal sport centers amu ndako de chikuru kwa saa 12 aikala stege ndako ya sport center mpaka saa 9 dara ake kula wewe to wewe tu kwa ki wakile kula ngaya ngondo lile kwa ya kumbuliga
modara moraka
kachikula I remember it was just 2007 na nilipotoka na mashauri mayai kwa siku ile ngai kachikula tu kwa mesa kwa chukula
yes
yesa 11 na dakika 5
ya maambia
ya Margoba na ngoya na kanyola mtawange para ngabatelengolo kyangibya na kanyola ngobikobekole katambange tekula ngolo kyange kadi kula ne kebana ngamba bwate ngabo ngibona takikula poka bone ngatu mutotole atole bone ngolo sintoga ngoboni na tikyoki disiplinary journal to gesiye banda bamba ba YouTube they want to make money on that day.
Yes.
This money they are making, na chichi misa eko abantuska. Eko ya wajo ya bad leader. Sige jo ma tekele wake kula.
Yes.
Onya wake timio right leader. Ekele tekele jiwe sana ma wuchu kwenda wake kula. Na wale timi mutume, lakini ngale tie kula. Iwana kilo yumo. Bono oyo wekela soje na uchanda. Na bonye na mwake kwa mwake timu wake zote tu then you are the person elected that person.
Yes. Ngoja ndasoro mheshimiwa Jimmy tu wasema ndio kwa kura
nje na wale tu wasema ni kwa very young guy and I think that's the time I get to kura but because of your kokwa and I believe
what makes you feel na kwa kura 207
you feel it.
How?
So you feel it because abantu the majority knew even ask this guy inje na manyira kwa that 2007
Mwaje na mutoko manyira na akinteba
mungwano lenge my competitor
yes
he passed on the mungwano
yeah
bakamanya kurwa bakagora women leaders sponsor pina wate na bwana just the about 207 women groups.
Yes.
I didn't know. Karata even some American women involved in the movement. Bakoya Mo, former vice president.
Yes.
Bagachanga. Bagachanga, Kenya, Bagachangira. Bagachangira, Chiguru Pichu. Abaninava, Bakamanya Kurua, Bakareta, Fegi organization groups. Organized groups, yani organize yombegete. Bidibide fake, bakabiakana Beyonce. Bidibia nenge chenu, mbabiakana. And that was a political propaganda from my opponent.
Your opponent.
My opponent. Which I didn't know. Because now when I brought an investor,
yes.
Actually I cannot bring an investor from abroad, US.
Yeah.
But it's about Changira and Abamu, because what I took to cross Yamane pass, Bagoli pass. Naende abantu bakamanya kuruwa bakamanya kubaonchura abantu nawana bakarate byombe biribire fake
Fatima na gwatane to morobiri nekyo ngabi karate mukomate ebyo gwata eta
no njoma etenche tima tinga ke umbegete ko ke kara machoka pasi
okay
ngere cheni nje na ayo list list ye byombe biriye byafu na batanga neti No, and they were which one sheet to a certificate. I didn't know telling one share by change, by edit.
Yes.
Nasi Abakuru, lakini tayo to record.
Yeah.
Wakati yaka na Jones ako ya kama ya kwenda akaya wangina mabono to Posco.
Yes.
Paka anda mabono chukura ngisimi banda wanga ipaka. Ni fakta pendi kabangore account ga Equity. Na uba ko ni operate.
Yeah.
And the US was also a signatory.
Yeah.
I can't now go baka withdraw chipessage. Because I didn't want to come involved at all.
Yeah.
So bakagenda bakatanga ki bana byombe birikenuri bana byarengo nande bantaba bale kora chesta abagumene abale kora chesta bantaba go just kyombe to ba ko 2000 each no matter 2000 bantaba ko a lot of money. So no understand now newo gota ngakirene bitota kanu to babani bakaniro abanda ubako kabanga kure
abeko bakam
that is how one to kule chicha salegete but ngasaba ngabeka manuze ngatanga kaba na mabaje ndulia session oyo play nyara na they came to know
lakini bona ngo kutoka tukiwa boisa ino tara kama kana yonse
nje by then I was in the US.
Yeah. What on the ground?
What in the ground were not good people.
So you are the one who never made good people on the ground. Wabuga kia manganayo, bako treat people.
You don't say that somebody is a bad person until you are calling it a bad thing.
Okay.
So after they have done something bad,
so you knew they were good people.
I trust people.
Yeah.
Like you want to trust the no moralia, so that's how I believe. So yes, down
to sabotage.
Some were promised to be taken to Canada.
Yeah.
Abandoned bargain, abandoned their pastor.
Yeah.
Because
so in short, 207 ukangoga.
This guy can testify.
Yes.
207 na to mjumbe bakachira. That is why and actually I didn't pray.
Yes.
Spirit I want to help people.
That spirit of the 207 rende bakarachikuro chia ochia iri kwa vere sabotage no muntu gete your opponent. Ingira the next election bata akarati chikura.
The next election ingibata ngerte chikura. That was that's a very good question.
Yes.
The next election omo etawa ntongwa ndabale the seniority now. Abandi bakateba bona gatura tema ogari.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Why do they hope for Gary? Because we must find on ways you can back as in yes.
A concept ye diversa chirichie byombe biriye ebiene tera we mongo ya bantu ekiara bantu mbara come into realization ngam propaganda yale.
But did you come out I view ko whatever no etana igentegia para kante kiale ngana over yes.
I took me time ko cha kukilia bakabia bantu what it was. Nanda bangina mane bagacha on board ko kabanyene bakalifiri bakatayana egente ke was
Rio ko bata ko election ya beri ya next election usko election trap.
Bo ya 2013.
Yes, 2013.
2013 bo na liye mo rende. Mai tapta kwa.
No bata betia mangana chukura stara ako so dete karo chukura ndichi ya krucha next.
Ko manyale itanga ki. Aba ngina bamba chiete ba kanu ebyombe bibya lengi cheni. Na kungwa ba lengi chi leaders ebyombe. So, ngacha go realize very late.
Yes.
I compensated some of them about even 47. Nika compensate on my own way, personal, on 2013, but it was too late.
Yes.
non re-election to kind of re-election.
Yeah.
Karabata re-election. Now the trend of things, I didn't come for the re-election. Ngatiga ogale kagenda.
Kwa kwa tena ndo ta ngi kia to karusi.
Tim participate. Yeah, ngatiga tinje ko kagenda in.
All right.
Yes.
Yes sir. Gochanda sorry. Kero gocha sorry. Omo contractor. Maite abuna ba contractor to aver to koraba ko mununga nisana. Chitana njia rugo. Burning bills njiro. Nka yora asa mangana burning bills. Mangano mu governor na Somalia ate burning ni chinyinge.
Nganda de ko ya marina. Dangan ni mano asoto chiko jeri na.
TV andis.
Na ende aso ko bodi kwaru dia burning bills. Na tenda siaru.
Yes.
Even the ones for burning bills na tenda siaru uchiga constitution. Even the código. The código ke aso utamanya. No yene ka tu state via bomata ni pinge monyete ya okia ile ngoja kutasa ndo sio sababu.
Bona ibune ba connect no
no contractor. Ni manyete na burning bills nchiro. Você já amanhã linguagem. Even the not be na kurwa constitution. Ababu como guarda ndo mo limu tudo que já deu outro mais. Para um exemplo, em um bom dia, te guarda ti o tamine o montou um ano bem, né contrato de um bem outro ano, o tamine o da mais termination. Lakini sisi ya kusiba abantu bakwalanga inga kuna nje kwenye kuona chisegi ba mkaya ndio kwa kwa lakini ndio sense mpaka je senate ya ikamshona bono 2024 2025 budget ya kabeli bis government government ile na kwa kabeli bis na wala ndio kwa kana na jitanga kanisa na kwa kana na sisi ile tinga kama itiketa kwa ya kwa ile ndio kwa unigena wote unigeto akiyo kwa ile ki mona na kwa kujale na sote kina na tegrei na kwa mona na tabuna o kwa ndo isi mpaka kile kiasi lakini muina kama na pepa kwa
ngoja tara yes ono storo yes
igonga tamanye tio no manyete igota manye tio ile ta kwa ile tukiro mutwa so kala kana contractors
yes
I did one of them did akan
anu bantu kwa kana
ani gwada kwa akan
ngo kala temer mu ne take
yes like the board office MCL gita de kisi primary kelo monta manyeta ne pakita be kisi primary sala postiro ka postiro se dinkelo kire kero de mete para que caer ya kabeka pake mala mwero eta busida
para que
para un aquero ngari man road
yes
pero ya 3.99 million pero cada kuna nasi that means sina usimbate mageti kwa hiyo
batuma de ere ngo na tumete timu egeti egachie kali korobotina asegete na erete asegete akara torobotiroria akara Somalia stadium na goikiraiga chinse mostara era nechi ega asia korembeo asegete nei ebili baka karo chibicha ebirasi bierete bibekera biere bitaraera no mucho mugabana ekora ne timu achorete gachera koro gutuke kare tariche yes
yoka ina makosa na kwa radio
atina kwa makosa
tukoro kana ki control of budget was auditor general
yes
is the only office entitled ko verify projects we know to another was getting you na what to do the truth
okay
any challenge challenge auditor general a constitutional office
yes
that office is wrong office ya akwatali osokoliye sibinde ya teria kene na magazeti na wakala magazeti It's practical, it's visible, you can touch it. And yet I am not so quite then you might be wrong. You don't understand what you are doing.
But now get my point, a point that on your name. Arati niga somete bending bills, Korengana, not about it from the ground. You know, Governor. Chise Montre, part of the Chiaros, you wish that. Yes.
Governor talks on pending bills. Kodwa se para. Because some pending bills from what se recorded Quanyora on the office. Because there is a couple of some people are
Gakogera, or Sukuria, now Chorete team at Toma
Yahweh office. Yatigating, I got a period, letting Jagan.
No, not that you I don't understand you.
Yes.
Oh, you're not the general. Every financial of the general got the project is in Bangor. She's a banking, she's a got to assist the Canadian. The general to make a team. It went to every project.
Yes.
Because when they come to the county, they go to every project.
Yes.
Or can with verified report. These projects are supposed to be paid. Who are you to challenge the general? Those are cometics. Those are cometics, my friend. It is unconstitutional. Simba was also looking for money.
You got a contract number back and you are not. Yes. Yes.
I think we are to be
of total amount
in that sense. Inside does not understand. That's why
I am whatever to go. As a guy,
I'm not a fool. The fool is cheating. 30% is the total profit of a project. 30% government money.
Yes.
51% is the service work should be done.
All right.
19% is the VAT.
Yes.
30% is the 30% is the profit.
Yes.
1% is miscellaneous.
Yes.
But 30% in coin. That means I was working for you. I never did job. If I did job, I will not give you that money.
All right. So some of the contractors, somebody will corrupt.
That's what men go on the back. That's what people are dying.
Yes.
And you are bad, you are not new to kiss. And you know contractors have died. They died because of that.
Yes, there is this issue now. Contractor constituency in Marmichiva.
It is unconstitutional. Why do you come to the radio?
Yes.
Many workers working here. And this is through competency. So, contractors, just the companies to do business with the government.
Yes.
And other sectors. One company, a government wants VAT from me.
Yes.
Who are you now to sing one person in a constituency or in their own constituency? Essentially, in a kisi, for 6 months.
Yes.
Government budget.
Yes.
For 6 months. I know who see. To kiss. Every after 2 months, after 2 months, a constituent a word by some position.
Yes.
What a constitution 5 times 8
40.
40. Of course, we to one contract and not what capacity. You find it by 40 within 2 months, within the period of 2 months. That means there's no job in general and personally, and it happens to work with the Muslim.
Yes. But in Doro, we have a contractor from the Lake Region block. Why got the Aguna? The gas Kariba Chibas. Yes. Yes, this one. Yes. Yes.
No, it is there much. From what I know. No, it is there much. Some point of the wood also what she said, Taikomi, a county. She said, Taikomi, a county, can I set the capacity?
Yes.
That's why except members of county government, but ministers.
Yeah.
Ministers are in their 10 departments.
Yeah.
Ever these 10 departments, they were government projects. They were the current. Ever these 10 departments, they were telling to be a column. Bueno, es que de finance ya yo mañana no que tengo con la procurement. Oye, tú la mañana, sin ver a luz na luz que manto, hace eso o para digo. Un procurement, director procurement, yo con aquí con digamos, la luz que como modernas no ta understanding. Bueno, como lucha como mañana ya por evitar. Budget ya.
Was is that the reason que agrata a work?
Yeah, what no way. Trying to steal. Simba does not work in type of professional procurement process. Because it is not a procurement officer. A procurement process. No, you mañana para Kuana, Nigeria, Mandora, Mansola, what? At the end of the day, and about Kana procurement. The Kino initiated to. So from this point, department is engaged as quite practical.
Yes.
That is a very practical example. Department agriculture. But some of the extension of Satokona. Tokoro kanga, adinalina tokoro kanga, tokoro extension of Satokona, agro, the premiership of SAS. I want to have a cookenda, Kagan, Roman, Bakuru Kenyu, so you know what can you do. But we can't make you, how many more you call that with the Java, Japan, Modawa, Bito Java. I want to make you. That was a very practical exam.
Yes.
Simba which was right. And when I'm telling you that's a true picture, which was right, I was telling you,
Yes.
The program was done for 25 days.
Yeah.
Every you start, we say what nature, for example, what every you start, I come now by Pakadam Siabatari. I which was right.
Mheshimiwa watoka tena hata school. Uko gani kwa school? No, kiwa gani kiwa na nyara this school. Because to kumanya ngaisa matere kana ora kana disa matere ngaisa matere. Yes. Lakini asini you should withdraw that not as school. Yes.
Akaleto mwana ndo kwa ng'ombe, akaleto mwana wa nyako. Abanda wa college successful for 25 days.
Yes.
Bone kabanga yachile 18 months. 18 months abanta kaulwa abanta baopi
18 months or 18 days.
18 months.
Yes.
Phase 2.
Yeah, phase 2.
Phase 2 is 18 months.
18 months.
Ekajana buti apeta
artiste akabasangaro.
Apeta kickbacks. Ekola rangi yuko kwa 500 na transport 350. Bona tantara ona na netiwe sawa kwa nchiro. Akakikia kenyoro esemiro hospital na tamu. Ekatoka ne kenyoro bibele byo kabiwe taba. Abandi bari rushirizi ko bakaletwa. Ekatoka kenyoro kiko buti where umuntu bonde yamuke minister we. Aleta basandwa yale.
Patato.
Nege kenyoro ko bonyata akaleto mwana oyo. Baba ko motives. Ebintu byo byabas.
Asijiba santo ko itabira ko era. Ndo what evidence of that?
My friend.
No, what evidence? Ndo ko tana what evidence? Out of record, no, out of record, no. Yes, ni watagarate.
And don't make a statement.
But out of record.
I don't make a statement here radio without evidence. I can show you the evidence. I know.
Yes.
Oh no. You appoint a minister.
Yes.
You appoint this person to be your eyewitness in the office. How going on to go? A doctor outcry. I think that governor they're killing.
What are ngoja story. Yes, mheshimiwa ngani watakuwa na nataka kubodi bodi.
Ono ekara wata ngabana akora the contract mo ever constituency.
Yes.
Nkiada to achieve economically. What does he want to achieve economically? Ekara to koenda based on economic principles.
Yes.
And in a procurement process you go korwa against one person. Umay tego government ba compete umuntu yo ma win abe a winner.
Yes.
The lowest bid and a contract. Okay, already one contract. Does he know about time is a factor in economics?
It is.
It is.
Yeah.
Because time you can come to our quarter to John Speak construct John Speak. A minute in Chirata Kune, Osako a Kora in Hari, Asara Sagi. Two, circulation of money is also a good factor in development. Again, to get a Pacabon, economy, economic circulation, they ain't here in Dangani, now in Central Bank, in Cotamerico very soon. Because Tibetan and Jigo circulate. I know what I will you are just there as just a figure. Because people are not making money.
Yes.
These contractors, you know, in fact, because people must consume, people must use the money, so people must employ contractors. I think you can't work by yourself.
Yeah, sure.
So, by so doing, one economy better. So that's why what they have maybe that what you want to achieve.
Right.
By saying, I will appoint one person, you have to control your baby.
Yes. At the better now, or see killing what you
born and maybe for specific individuals. I can tell you the truth.
Yes.
Because those came by getting one person, or then I want to was okay, since you are
yes.
There are subject questions.
Yes.
But I got into picture, but I
Onyoro mugabana narangiriti abantere bari stadium hagate abantere mbale bare o igari emebwatandara no kwikabane batano hagate wetsigozwana we yo komanya abakoli mirimo MVO ase serikali ye county kisi hagate yanga abakoli mirimo baranga 700 bali kira se county bakoli kibesa batabari tuwakano agatebangwe mukirere getambo agatene nchire ya marigirie muno mugabo no account ya Kisii kone kubuna ngo siekare oboibi no tuke obwechi pesa mangana getobukuru
okay bono karo bana kala teko bono iko kwanya gotara no ogenda no mari motus let me give you a basic example
yes
chika chi account chire dump chi chikarache chiroko chitigire bosa chitana ko bali pea ire I'm telling me that abantu bakuchikendi. Besides that,
yes,
efficiency by giving people time to rest. Toko ni get driver yemo ekogendia ambulance to morning na maragoba. Morning, evening. The people must have shifts.
Yeah.
To avoid, to minimize accidents. Ngiyakoro mata accidents chaba mo serious chiga. Esa uyo konyora ngaki ole min otagete kuri kaba driver monta o driver yemo abantu bakole accident. So I think as employment
yes,
it is not practical na olinko employee arenge the former ko employee arenge ki driver in excess that much.
Yeah.
Donc ringa ali getabanto bakote chi shift.
Yes.
Chi shift yecho chigali pengine chikanyore chine chi accident karaya nyore accident to ko butomu. Guri fire the person kanyoro bera ya dinga na gali janora I wait tandire gali goru. Na ende tu omo gavana simba na korta makos.
Yes.
You don't parade ya bana baba to bari kiru chigasi nganyare gali ke tu driver otake como uta na magoso kya brate so siki employment yanyo competitively ali kumule drive o gwate license kanga to gwata bantu ngakia bantu na gwate tega abantu 15 batabwa ti driver license batamanye ti correct chigari lakini barenge report as drivers that could be a mistake.
Yeah,
but if somebody only a driver all the licenses na ndo highway gas highway namba yo musara akwakana that person ndo magos nsimbo wana tabole chigari chigende ko tumeka ni drive echo a minimize a free employment anyoro manye tenga yabe abantu bali kira bangi igara go free employment for some time because every year going to retirement ya abantu bakulita every year achake what just that way I'm talking on a professional basis. I used to be a human resource of House of Manji. I went there when there was a crisis. House of Manji capacity production it covered the best. It's in record. You freeze employment ya karaba na abantu bare haya ya tangi lakini ndio ande kona the crisis ya abantu kata bumbale aba bali kire bale fake employees batayo ondetayo nya naona ya munya kusikwa ngatiare employed unyako code marieta gasoka paka abantu bande endo ko na that was a fake exercise. Abantu bandi chief officers barenge bare taye chi minister get chibekira marieto na they were employed wrongly, you see, which is wrong. At least area go court some people in the government of Zimba na bara lakini yoga mugusita da kurwana tatifa
right
because abantu chi executive officers bali taye tene gavana ya rueto once na watu aloja marietalo are you telling me list yo no be koyomo in a developed world you be koyomo se list yo eli ko disqualified is a useless what was that.
So you don't convert at all next as gear
I don't convert because erekweka chibesa chiria useti chikorata useless a list of fake employees is bad. Misappropriation of funds. Because abantu ngata professionals bakwali every obo you see when I in fact to have that when at back no, wali ba sino de pegama. Ministry
yes, nagotegere.
That to understanding Abusi is not on the right track.
Why do you say so?
One, ayo manyene no musio.
No muzinde.
That to work kiji sector se to kwa. Uno manje ka to taka ni motola de lona be ma bo tanga posongo na kwa ko. Aka kwa ni stage ko ina ya ali stage de no mo.
Stage. Ndiro chimo chando. Achi ala chia kana singe chimo tuko.
Stage leo si. Sema bro yichika na moyo. Eko na kwa ile. Stage ile pathetic kinaona bantu banyene chika ali bakorera. Stage terio because stage ne wanda para wasibu. Ito kwa because those people base number 1. Gende nyakita na timalo singurwaro. Maje no tuwe komye sele jolema. Ngurwaro. Sabe sine nyakita. Amayo ngai kwa kota kuna nyakita.
Nyakita kio kwani.
Level 6 njake level 6 the highest to now. Elibaro ya kisi. Ngokorera. So you
want to dismiss na mayote nyakata lipi? Ekiro tokote.
My friend, Mayota you. I'm not talking no more. I'm telling you, Mayota you. Also, Polgeria, or na kisi riba hosto. Getembe wakati wa stinke moja ya wako wa kisi. Kisi lako lomo be, oko na kana 4,500 in advance. Getembe na mko komo be. So Chris has become a more commercial area for collection of money either going to somebody's pocket than even private hospitals. That don't the
yes.
Any to go na kusi are not on the right track. Esa bangu otera ligonda to tegera yo mano. Na kotebi ende muchubo songo. Onyo gereri ya onyo tale. Ororo muchago le songo. Ene city ya kisi. Njakabeyo. You ask yourself those questions. The most important thing that you will see, that's not the and I have no fear when you do it is your kebabo. Now, when you see your Ogongo, no gonge, but I also want to walk with that. I want to walk with it. Bon, do what you go to eat, do what you go to Korea.
One emete you walk no secretary of Kebago.
Ona gang about this one kwa boli yes mo so segetro kala
wado na kile
this one wanje ko boli mo ngaki yomba mwana obuli achire buli ngo akalera abageni manena leta abageni ya kwa uta usipe abageni boli ngaki you are the people you are the people mokole toke ba obiyo ba eko na bana wako nyameta marikuibira lakini numwa chita ngatione nduya soko soko nyomba.
So the first aspect no mundu jo mogeni
the first aspect no mogeni the first aspect do jali to bokiba na ndio mote mwana mi ngote bi true picture
yes
ekero kuno kia bantu chibukuguru ko watu na sai boko batabu kemete ko watu na nchengo kwa na wana bane onye tinko mala ya Vincent na ande pako kukwa ayo ko de antology na nyasa ta kukwabe ayo manyene Vincent that is wrong again to go in social media and it is practical
yes
those things happens omo to bien ko kan de ko kwa tebeku no wa gibo nyamba so muta stako I said these things I will not do. I am talking. Father never.
Yes.
Ganya mwale wote na basona ali bona chairman ye campaign. Let them know is assured. I say it.
So people were swearing kote wana kini mbu atinyara baketa kayo mori.
Oya tin como kwati ni injena wana to.
Eke ndegi ya na private place osene mu akordo ni public.
Na wote mo my friend digana my brother.
Yes.
Nge tukire private tingo kile suso. Mimi.
Again, don't garanta te ko diva no yo ntaleba.
Yes.
Ayo oyo minto Sedekia.
Sedekia.
Asenaro tu adivire na ye ngaki ngogo ete stage to korra binto bibangire buya. Egabana ya chorire minister.
Yes.
Ya chorire abantu bakoro kunga health department.
Onariko chamu kinu mugabana go.
Mugabana o chorire abantu bona gati ango tabia se corruption here. I think and I don't think it gabana na manyete. Kisi County ne wata chigari chiko collect job town. Kisi County government. The only way I can blame government Zimbabwe. Neringa either are lenient kutaka kokonya abantu aba bagosangererie ubi gose iga gokora on deliberately kubarigerie gasi. Because abantu abonye ko barigerie gasi bono baikera bagakora abantu abagusangirije ubibosonga ngato konya abantu aba bakoni abangina bali atamabuli nabuka bakuye ukurwase bale ebina mure bigosangererie ubinchera ne galieri bamanya kwanga abantu baba investors buna chinyombe chire real estate bali babwati chinyomba cha rentals beba abantu bakogera abantu bakanwe misara bono muna some of us we are landlords omakorwo jibesa ngwakana nda lot of money to carry jibesa jogwakana chiaira na back gavana yaegwa moko 14 billion in taliba around that money 18 billion ngai korgo se nintu to kor taxes bono injere ntonare go suggesting getting Simba may not know or it might be having a very crude people who advice was actually that's ministers because they cannot confront you musbati yo motenere obosabi obo iga kogendo ura bantu chigwiri baro in fact ka muntu naso rweki napaka ke morusi chianga abagetiryanda oba ura koruchia chi apartment ogenda kumubuli otanga go donate go cha ase chinani government organizations was GNGO was ase chintakana tubuli nga intakana organization kieti koira chigwiri baru so abuna bantu bakusalera simberieta onye simbota kete kobaligerie gas tigaba begorere chigari chiabo chire private chitari chiria chitari chiri chie government chiri kirenga Kisii county government obose out of bantu bonse investors ntu atakoma tetoro sia mandamano investors especially ba mwembe ngakigete batakete ko ba stop tia bantu bo chabu bo kaichoro chinyumba amandamano atare gocha ko stop for many years I mean for many months na ande tokaika toka hold a little bit simbari ye chano in account ki abantu abati post jibesa chibo chabu anyuta ke to correct jibesa chibo chabu kurwa saba andaba investors so that the account yabe clean abago fe gwakana kujiaria ba correct ba tekeri gwatua lakini bono rabeka bane bibago abana babekire bagusangereria ubieria bebibago
igo bagusangereria so muntu wataria muri
lakini aba bare investors igo batagete koyebera abantu aba bagwakoro kuno landlords in a very crude way you totally accept especially member investors very soon you see some investors Kisii again thank you
Gojana sakadia sorry.
That got a point Sadakia. Again, that can we have something in the pipeline. Yamanda mana mabisana from investors.
Yeah.
Babuso. Because onya mana babaye chika secret. They should Yamanda batene to sa. Very government yasimba.
Yes.
But yamanto chibes chino moko ko chetiri na berega. Every month we will do that very comfortably and clean the city. Like you know, every house, now we have 200, every house. In fact, that's what they are doing.
Every house.
Within a span of 1 week, the building.
What's the day?
Not the building.
Yes.
Every house, every month, in Obago. Among the thieves, a Janet Bago, a BB killer they are thieves.
Yeah.
One encourage such as things to happen in the county.
So the governor, tell us to go river, go chia sound, I was already moving, but you sang rich best. Yes.
Kisii is a municipal.
Yeah.
If it's a tender and confronted, qualified bidders by tender. Nyamba so we no collect the EOB. No you. Nyamba so no could get money to now collect buy. Any problem we go chat as so collect the EOB, you go chat Nyamba. bono Zimbabwe's government tiene ko fraud tena ya kule neo kola
Yehubi.
neo kola ni wonda tote kala sana ne program yo mo no ko kume Zimbabwe kola akote yo mo siko ko kuma brenda you are the one to collect the wikisi brenda being denominated as be or denominated by the governor neo kola the ubi Ogo tiga je serikali na protected by immunity. That's why you see the government is wrong. It's not constitutional. The government cannot audit itself. That's wrong. It is attended or frauded. No insecurity farm. No insurance. It is wrong for a worker. Come you someone this is one person.
Yes.
Onyo wale ba Brando in I don't know that person.
Yeah, we don't know bro.
Yeah. Why can't they hire their own vehicle? But they use it again to build the Muna Baka with contractor.
Yeah.
They use Vaya Tabia, but go use Tabia Kisi County.
Yes.
In fact, every day.
Yeah.
Chigoeta na to babete uniform. Basangere yo yagenda. Because bona gato taketo basoeru na basoeru. Ekia sanitation, water and sanitation.
Yeah.
Again the keketa kero corona wasco. Bona wasco, waske ko misused. Uma de wasco water and sanitation. Tima de segava na re kwa stand ya sanitation ya inki. Nkiata ko le ya manda wasi kwa ba mandate nga kamote tenga you are in charge of sanitation. Yeah. Inki muta ko ro sabi chigari china baire and you are your own employees.
Yes.
Kanga Kisi County very clean. Bono ma ko Rusia ba isi ba ruete ko senga ya bande bata ko kwane ke busia bande patane ko abachabu na ba ko anda chi apartment chi abantu ba ko beteli ko collect 200 per person. Per person. Yani ne munyo ko bata chi unit 20 omonto on ko Rusia 200 kerenyo
ba. But what if
chibe se tinko boli ko anda chi county. That's one out there. A system must be established.
Yes.
Egamanetanga chipese chigo sangere kunegari ya wasco ngakone gari ya ko fuera gari ya kisi government ngakia ko fuera gone government ko ba na ndistiri ko bekera maguta no nyota oyota bangeri ne breach of corruption.
Yes.
I agree with him. Why egari bago tumia kisi government vehicle.
Yes.
Ababaro bago kora they are private bidders maybe because basani ba so is that in order? No, is that in order?
All right.
It's not in order.
Monchu mulikira bono gento gotsengera Ndizi TV wanso mugusi bale ganzo tubwate kati kange terichi jumbe ibere sato kensembe ya Facebook bari baganzo ko tubwate asemargo ya bana batengere tomoro buri kono bwatiri bakari ya bene enamba ya SMS nerega bo monchu mulikira nabo kuli ko jumbe ya gabwe kero gotanta ko sangana yenye ko bwate ko boli ko bwate nkwanende yonsi ekero to go sanga sande sano nyanja 207 wo machoga was one constituency. It was not among the first 5. How did he win the answer, how did he win the 2007 election? Secondly, there were 28 candidates. What position was he in? Thirdly, in politics without money forget. David from Mochoga.
That is why not evidence. I'm not struggling to get the thing.
You were not among the first 5. You won. There were 28 candidates. I will
not fight to win in Nantiquakana.
Yeah, because it is a concern. Yes.
Because in another my principle, I will not buy people to vote.
Yes.
That's my principle. If I decide today,
Okay, let me say 2027. I decide I want to buy. That boy doesn't know my ability.
Yes.
But I know I'm very capable to do it. I can very comfortable by Satato. I'm the member of parliament. But I don't want. I don't want. Not that without money, without money.
Yes.
I do have money.
Yeah.
I don't have money. I'm not. I'm not a person you talk about, but I will not want to do that.
Yes.
If I decide to do it, I'll be a member of parliament anytime I want.
Anytime you want.
Yes.
What ragabu? I will know conductor, one contractor, or Pajino Monya Wakano. What next? No to the Chivas or Gregas, Negas, another go best.
So Malaria, and you get to do the account.
Yes. Yes.
Getting us a cardi, the Cocota. Serikali ofisi gocha aba usababa ya ofisi bagenda kino ofisi remains serikali teko watetoka na chiwe so yota diko tuwaka na noyo tinje tingu 30% yobo kola asega sina collect in the sure na in collect na ndere audited by auditor general na ali ningote na gendo usabe kitabu kitoko nyama maene ninsaine ni koletega
na koletega
tingo chugo na wango no sketch mi ata tingo chugwaka gawa na Paulo Simba arati no mugusi number 1 no mugusi number 2 na lori bagusimba liko teba biya gokola lakini abagere kwaro chenye kwaro suso media na
kwaro bagusimba liko teba
njendaro bagusimba tena simba biya gokola kwa project simba kwa ile
aba kwaro na bateba teba
unda donta na lori abagere na lori bako egaba na yeme bateba ngaki Paulo Simba kwa ile gasi nyingi omuntu omuya gabana yagusi tingateba ngaki ogera bono ngaki muatiga gukora anjene gabana na choruna bantu nkorera abantu tinda teba gasi yane na chigo tebe yo mu amatone
onya kwaro renyare gokore bia
ko misiri tiolo
what if na renyare gokore gasi bia
dena ma moralia go support ebintu bindo uja koleta chisegi guys gabusa Intuntu anga Simba ni tutu amagete chikula.
Yes.
Let Simba come to the right track. Akole laba gusi.
What is this Simba tara kororoje is not right for you?
My friend.
Yes.
My friend is very practical.
Yes.
Ntu akwa na kwa gani na nakwa elesa. Ebintu Simba manye teneseki. Wa ni kwa la kamonda impeachment oria eko tika.
Yuma ndo witabara 100% na Simba.
Eleka uja kuchakwa kwa le bono. Kwa no ne ke ba kalira ba mzi balia iyo kwalire kurwa samangana ndemo ko kya very bad signal ndemo chipesa nchi atali chipesa was in assembly abantu bayotenga gakimbi chindemo abandi bagatema abantu bakana pana
okukwana mangana tu rumors siko ntomaite
pana it's what I know
because you otaba in the assembly. How do you know?
My friend,
I thought you assembly.
Ngombo neko everything bingo ko tayo facts just bingo ko tayo package ko kole kana pakango ko tayo na tabaka mo wada mi mo gala na sa kukulworo yani okay I don't know who are employed. Yes. How do I know that you mo gala na sa what that mean and what that mean ndo what what ya bagara I'm sorry to tell you that again don't that ko tayo aba MCA were given money that's what the governor and the senate akamyoka gocha kumanya nkiki happen and he called the MCAs mutonto bakanga kogera that you understand that aba MCA wanse koranga ki umuntu trouble mono ngo nkatogodigireti ngo sari kubale my they have time limit yo korogas time limit ko abantu ko batebale ntangi utabiendo maki banyone chisiro bakanyori ngima kwa muto maka nyomo tondo my friend bono genda anka tuyatubika abagambya ba esababu ne uzo kurigireria munda no mwana omoke musawo moke yani ondemo mugusaliye kariya muna wonuri gatokobeke gasi muna bana babare gaba kwara bakorusugwa abari usebo chibwa busa bana bake bagusaligwe kariya matekero ko seri kuna impeachment iga tokubona no butule
tokuburi gasi ndio
no butule ona ba MCA bali ba chintu conscious what do we want to destroy na ora to kono mwana one ngosaligwe kariya bugima bwa because of we binte bisinini what is this ngoro mwana geto musinini ko kweli nari ko nchari osali ku culture ko olenge chibwa busa umwana no mwari morenge nari achake na no musatara no myaka ebere kwa mwana gasi njwe kwa masayari
kwasali iru mwana oyekaria aye no mugusi tori mo bisa ogwa ate go itaba na wami go se gwate konacha ngaibona uko rusi abagere bagokoreta yani bogere gutugambe utenundu ne tribe of its own simba ni tomo wege totali bagere
agino mate kisi is a cosmopolitan place ase ondokonsi yakwe gasiaka
okay igaba gusiba se go soka iga abanda utitwe betimenyete ga bibibere bimenyetambia kechikuru monda tata ga angusi kwa nyugule
nimbwara tengusi to lakini muntu ndo bwana akore gasiga
30% yo fayo ku 30% eye oko ruchi okoreta bantu besiko na bali besiko
bakora count njia chete kikabana chi count ya ntore ga boka bakore gasi obuka.
My friend, devolution means this.
Not that 100% of the people. Yes. I understand very well. Devolution.
Devolution means you empower people within that region.
Yes, only that.
That's why that percent is there.
Yes.
You empower.
Yes.
No, but
not 100%.
Don't take it.
Yes.
Don't take it and take them.
Yes.
Now we will talk your laboratory moina. Tabu resources.
Yes.
I know what I can. The first thing, oh, Colabano wants by Tira or brother Navao. Abano Colaro, which is school, Navao. Don't take it unless you go to a studio. Abano Colaro, reading about it, make sure I leave the school up now. Minoaki, Naki, Nakiavana, Wataraga, this school. So I go as soon as I Regamari, Nigerian, and those in your Montaria, school. And the school. Yani uitaba kusipi Koretia. Even the first and no DM. But MCS nga nominated ko Nyamira. Kwa hiyo na Nyamira. Yani bakusimba alenge kisi ba akete simba kula ba ko nominated. Ine question down on the board. Question number 2.
Yes.
Employment simba kolete ntangani ayeto marube ga dia lengo mutanga. Bantu kyali ko Nyamira. Bantu mbalengi kusia ko lik.
Why do you think angusanto ko Nyamira? Ala usema kusiga.
Yani evidently bia simba think singa he wanted ko koria wa tira. So that I extend arambaro koboko Nyamira na yani amekimba ngamabale. Egera could go press. He was looking for president.
You know, president still call you within Nyamira na kisi?
No, embo na nkia bagara ko likerugusi. Nkio mwe word of isako, nkio word of a word is 45, every word is common to boyo moyo. Na barotete it is 45 word of zas.
Bakoba in a word of zas.
Why do you have omogere?
Even topography abo.
My brother, I'm asking why do you have omogere?
Omogere yali class
word of zas.
Omogere yali class word ki.
Tinko manyala ki no omogere wekire tabaka. My friend ko ne oya bantu basere. Think man, there are mistakes the government commit a natural.
Yeah.
In fact, yango teriga. Now I don't quote my statement.
Yeah.
I talk committee area after them abete retained.
Yeah.
Co-inspect, co-investigate 400 and million. Just suspecting na chirusi na speaker na bantu bande wale executive. Ego come out in a report. The next impeachment motion. What my statement in this radio?
Yes.
Nyanumba kogendanka.
The Speaker of the Assembly.
The Speaker of Assembly. Nyanumba ko walk home. Once Nyanumba ko walk home, Simba should be very careful. We are going to ende akole chikari tichirimono. Because then it will be the next victim. Ya impeachment. Ero ko impeached.
Nyanumba.
Nyanumba ero chire.
No. Ndoko te bojira taranda because Nyanumba taranda Nyanumba ko office.
Ya committee eri etajiri ko change tabe baimisi batamprai beni nande bangusuwe jaje yo bocha hojiga bayirwe. Bawo tenda mno wate nande moika. Wate bantu ko manyo mana ngai 400 million ejichete. Nkito da akane rwala SS cheto. Nkito da ayegwa china itaut cheto.
Yes.
Omuntu Nyanumba chirenka. Nyanumba kogendanka. The next speaker ni Morochi. Ni Morochi the next speaker. Oh so agaria.
The next speaker.
Oh so ko karansa ne speaker ya county assembly ya Kisi. Vivions na tebeti governor from I am aware of wish of governor.
Yeah.
Simba is my mentor. Ego njena akote Simba au through my brother my cousin kept on bati. Ekela nge Kenya body. Na chine kama kole kambe. Simbo yo nchi na makwale te campaign. I was the chairman of campaign ya constituency ya Machoke Church.
Yeah.
So you gonna I was an inside person of Simba. Simba ni mwanche te kana atake kutige bikoria na bako gamba lene ode mwanya bantali. Na bako dangiria bantaba ngai. No ye moyo to gambe lene standard 8. No ni what? But Moi ruled us for 24 years because professors were around him.
Yeah.
Na bako nyo Simba into bia mbiri buya.
Ayi ndora manya. That one we don't know.
Lakini ende ode goitela naone kesonga kwa na bako anga
no, kila kitu ayuna mangana ayuna mangana umwancho mulira mangana ayu ntuntu bwa tibwa mate ayina mangana
bakoma yato manyako kwani gasongo kelike kama to likatiri we kwanza kama
ayibona mangana
anga lendi professor munechi oje ono muntu mangana economist amubeka roundimu amatayiringa amwana ominto ga wateri akakwagenda
lakini wonde ndara kobolia mbasa tiara kobolia
mama nilio ko mama
no oranda ra kobolia mwana kwa kwana Simba tara kora inche kero kia korre
nange chuo ya Simbele complete elikire Simba wetani amabuli
nje na gote
amabuli is not government is the current my brother
yes mheshimiwa kara kwa tara
Vincent
yes
nje nda gote binga Simba tali nga abeire muntu mube mono tarae I tend to think nga abantu bara around him bali koma good information.
Yes.
Simba could be a very good person, very good governor. Lakini kwanya wanga abantu omo assigned in the office to do responsibilities bali gokora. Because when you have charged the minister, the minister should do what he's supposed to do.
Yes.
Actually, I got face the reality. A chief officer must do what he's supposed to do. If they don't, only premu might they go come to.
Because one on age semi, that is bato kuburi. Ntubato omu waziri tenete.
Buarueto. Talinga buarengo buachi sasi yani amare. Yeah, obuarueto. Nchai so chibesa karo chabete donate to chiwasiko billions of money.
Yeah.
Muna 10 billion chiko ibuchi go igole account li baka chibesa chago chi Kenya Commercial Bank chikagenda ebengi ngao chiko soka. You get the point?
Yeah.
So somehow nto temene ngumono
utia somo governor
nga bona Simba too hivyo. No. Simba is a person as like anybody else. Muna yora abekwo abantu banse okobta the same. So again to kira ngota
so on your side asensemo yao Simba namangana bakumuruta egasi byakora
no egasi yako kora buyera kintali go track abantu bali at responsibility to follow what they do.
Ngasi yako
egasi mune gabana tali arego chiko sangererie hubi mune gabana tali arego chiko
tiako mu address bono injo wanto ku address ko elivaga okwane bono tiako buli mawo ko kwate nkwana address me
egabana ya appoint ya bantu ministers minister of education.
Yeah.
He should give a report to the governor. This is what I've done.
Yeah.
This is what we are supposed to do. This is what we should project to do in a certain period. Bono, wanyoranga, evinte vinge viko ya kortue menengu, na bali baruete paka bali basije tuo bogambi. I'm telling you.
Yes.
Paka bali baruete bogambi. Baro batabuati eno desiti ya Yoko claim nga Simba is making a mistake. Omaete moko morusia mistake paka naona erara baise kuwa. No ano mwana kare sukuru. Ni fact jenya kumwaka makomo. Onya kumwaka makomo nga you are not doing good na bako mosikia onya romes.
So asensemo yao edi akangujana so asensemo yao Simba uribaga akore merimo yawe
Aise koya uribaga. In fact this is his term.
Aise koya go
idi nero chori.
Mark ndatuma kyo state aise koya uribaga.
Aise koya go
igobona ta iribaga.
Bona lende chisegi nchikuchetaro. Maite we are not blind. We are not blind. Asenaro okonyora bono mune chiarenge borabu ese ye yarenga aba chumbe boka bakurwane kanisa. Simba was not there.
Yeah.
but ina titenga nyoro munengo rutiruko ruanga simba was behind it. Let us face a reality. Abantu aba bare kubwatwa. No, abantu aba bare kubwatwa. No mo chumbo yo ogetutu mata aba wage to murandia. Simbole gocha kwa rwecha. Ase no ri mo chumbo ri age to mo pastor orotatu. Osebono ga. Tu ateba ni obo mahene. Let us not say nga inchebuye komo nyele.
Yes, edaka.
Ndara ko tebi mo mahene na otenga korundo bo chumba ndiko ri obo gabana. No nyenta kitende tasti ne kiroge ke kyo bogabana. Nakira kyonta tombolinga kirakinga kingo cha kokorangire.
I'm coming there because
ko bolinga ki ongwa ere kera bole tikor so bogo senkane. Na ire to bojumbe. Tara kinta vete gabana. Inki chimiara ta vere gabana.
Ikono no kugana ki no nyam ko bojumbe kwaligiri bwa ko a constituency ya mo ya gusinyire no nyari constituency ki andalimo.
Omanye tira kinago tebelinga abantu bami no na bora nyore babwato bunyumbu bube gose babwate libero gose babwate ndamwamu bagutige. Because on why is a practical example.
Yes.
Na bole tichukura sana.
Taireti.
Akati.
Lakini akabuli bo governor akaira.
Akabe governor rengi ya sana. Toro jire. So we should not say Abraham Lincoln ya kabuli kura US.
Yeah, US.
Mara 10. Lakini akaranja kuira como president. The best president and the right time when the United States go divide into different countries.
Yeah.
Akanye unite. Kebaki akabuli several times. Aga jakoira. You saw what the economy was during his time.
Yes,
so nakingo tayanga you never know what God has for you. Na bora nyanya sauta ketembo morandia. Who knows?
Yeah.
Because that is also what. So me, I don't create you can't judge people by time.
Yeah.
There is a person in Orenge slave. I think was it Joseph? King.
Yes.
Harvesters work in the field. Queen Esther. So those people don't judge people by time. And this Kisi County will be competing with some counties in the developed world.
All right.
Because people should learn how to tap the economy. People should learn how to make your next county as your market. Born like before.
Yeah.
In fact, the MLI is a very sophisticated equipment in KTRH.
Yeah.
It's not working.
Yeah.
Oxygen, which is not in operation.
Yeah.
This is, in fact, before we used to sell it to Omape, neighboring countries.
Yeah. Counties.
We should target our counties, neighbors as our market. Until we do that, Kisi will be struggling, unemployment will be huge, and the people will be fighting to create jobs which are not there. Unless we become producers.
Mheshimiwa, whatever na ebintu ne binge bitara kolekana.
Yes.
Lero ko ko nayo mo governor. Nki ko ro chora ko aracha tarako.
In fact, the only I have so many things nanda kolen and bila about.
Atarako.
Yes. One thing again to tokoro kanga G project chiricha tigetune the former governor chibe completed so that to for it misappropriation of fund the project chitugu chirichi ani chitali koreta quick investment to rachitiga again to kiakata tonda yakabenengo kora is to look for investors. Look for investors, I will give incentives. Amari munara ye serikali. Amari maya ye serikali, make investors but exempted from taxes for a certain period and from paying for those lands. In a lease, even for free. By the time Bago go to get out of these premises, every channel be in numbers.
because you want to factory correct,
Yeah.
you will employ the locals.
Yeah.
Am I right with that?
Is it true?
Two, to make sure we empower the people properly in our village street here over viable projects. Over there, I'm not giving you umbrellas.
Yeah.
I'm giving you money to add the stock. Abang in a valley will move from there where they are in a common place.
Yeah.
In Jatin go to Pend Vesajirisa Mabudi. I would have the building as a Bacovera commonly, Nandeba Wichivesa, Bansa Koira Nichivesa to the county.
Igo go dismiss you go come abuli go chasa
It's not a viable in economics. It's not a viable project. It's not a viable project.
Because na mabuli ana chipaki.
Yeah.
Chipagi na ruwa weche wana skuru akona mabuli.
Chipagi mbuya. Chipagi arubuya. But it is not appropriate kolikeli etali yao. Aso mwana nebja yao. Aso mwana ole playing group. Wasole nasari. Konya kovogoli elieta konya go advertising ake so and so. Ogara na wekwerende. It is good always pagi etali kiri etali Lindelions. In that way. Wamekirio mwana oyo tati koba bias bona wezi kwangata nga kinki obwaera tato ere nkinyare wera tato ere so if every kido ujanga nekipagi yako kutune minde yako that ni fact
oso mwana okane pagi yo mwana ndo orere ne yaje
talibans bae
oso yo orere na so bo otebyo ye mwa etu
so eriera gere abana bachayane nganche nimbwate proximity na simba nje timbwati na kie ke totata kirete bintu bune so I know to anything lakini mbuya korade but let is look for a system that you can differently the way systematic
yes
again to mean a viable project a viable project again to go generate income keralete to keralidio mondo to a certain level oise kolege ya bangi na babaira mabulia abange na araba some of them are their customer babwata man ama nanasi atano every Monday through Friday one umungina bali baho kole bintu dokoroka servicing yani banya ko change again to get ko move to another level yes
omoraria
nda to kokole wangu
nda ngota de kuira ni matima tinge ko logon siekera
ngwa kukwana na kweli baka
nda to ntegara imai saba nda to hotel wa don't get some again don't get ngodi bana with my brother mangana chi minister ne chi wobsa
yes
in any government a person you kwa power my colleagues ne sio e muntu kwa appointed because no matter chief officer simba atano babutu basali because they don't line ne chief ne sio yabo
and job description
because you know your duty
no but kwa job description
wana tinde to mu address
serikali litangani ile yane una kwa ruta tenga Kenya teri serikali teri yaito ne yane ngeruto omuntu twa to bogaba no wakisi akokuporo simbarati is the CEO of
the county yes
minister ngere omo appointed what eleta neriku prescription yende ons nenche kwa appointed okonya directives kurwa sende onyengo kwa directives chimbe na bokora abubego ose koligeria aba minister baria ose ko baria from inside I no manyete they are not better than you abantu bari abantu akoni pake bilogo pake into bibinga nga extension of sasi bao ne yo muntu ngachibesa that means someone that was siekere mbo watu ne besa kule credit
no ntoko tebe kyo because you don't know
no ekingo ko tebe kine yento ke forgere
ekyo to dismiss ke ko gara kinto ke maize
tende to tebe ngaki chi website sta yo ra kole gasi ata edi chingurugwa somane noy inchi chama ngana ya bono ngagiri no mugambi ngaki amaene Kisi County it needs an economist
a manager
it needs an economist like him omuntu ko give direction here county give direction here county again to kendi ya kawena tate ko tebia intubuna ba machoge ni kero coordinate national government na county government
yes
In fact, we get money from national government, we county government. If the problem needing a key, such nyingi toko diritari chirana.
All right.
Tuate baninga ngana ochukutika CRF account patindari license chikoria government yeito. Because since governor Simba jete ndura initiate a viable project. No, municipality jageto gembali, it is in a very pathetic situation.
All right.
Ndura initiate a viable project.
Mugambi 1 point.
Tutara ko rangu yostoreka unda to kwana ngana yo mwerio ntwigwete abana aba bwatani kuranse ya UDA na ande bagotena ngo bangwa barete munda obisi acha ko aira ne asekerwo kona nge ngana yeso kwa
Chenda do kwana so maene gore gana monda ne trap na ne trap to so trap mondo na sa omo trap na vera kwele ne ucha so na ikwande mapema sana ntana ucha ndi sina ikwande egatembe ne trap ya te monda na pathetic situation na Monda, ekoti ya mubegete ngategererwa. Ekoti ngade ko mutegerera ne ko mulete. Monda tabutiri nguri yaro musara.
Umusara nguri.
Ekera kuri umusara. Gaba na Simba tabandi ko dismiss monda. Na ro ne wife yae. Umukutano renga nyaula oko make a very political statement which is wrong. In fact, we don't have a prescription role of a first lady kiss. In any county, we don't have a prescription role, and it is wrong for a first but we call a first lady to make a statement, a political statement in our country. Because a Chinese does not have dual citizenship. That's all this near it's very important. Chinese don't have dual citizenship. China never say yoka, a constitution, they were dual citizen, one citizenship. When you move China, that work at Simbeku and Jangwaka and Simbeku. Yeah. It is wrong for somebody who is not a citizen of the country to be given any political platform to address that state or that county on a political matters. Because you don't vote, you don't elect leaders from there, you are not supposed to do that.
All right.
It's wrong. Very wrong.
So, do you support that?
I support because there is the deputy governor, Joel.
Tosieke?
Mchenge ntonda wa Vincent. Ntonkeli once at the andara that make my statement. Yeah, my job.
Yeah.
Abantu mbale bali political conmen.
Yeah.
Bao jibai karanza chipa, ba decide likisi counting anyare bogo chikawa kisi. Troji. No Simba na baba decide ti. Baka decide ko Nairobi ngakisi bato ko iraria. Ekisi nanta bet. Bono emechanda na bwa bakore. Like this time Machoge, let me mention on this because I come from Machoge.
Yeah.
It was our turn for a governor, a guy to do second online.
Yeah.
Bono bagato tuma, bakayanda bubasi. And this time they try. Let me put it very clear.
Yeah.
On you Machoga that cover in the pipeline, yet cover governor 2027. Diario tora tebe no ne kwa o va ko ke ba. I am there ko gamba forever. To we will fight through tooth and nail. A year we must do that.
Macho go use na ye go sonde bwenzi kuru.
Ninje go sonde bwenzi. Go macho. Kai jabo macho lakini ncha urupia.
So igono macho go mota ke by force by fire.
By fire, by force.
Because we have been marginalized. We need our fair share.
All right.
In fact, unemployment is so bad. In Joy County, very few people. Anybody kire over security, over Mangana County, or Scali, or county, even petty. But Machoga and Bari Kirigas Gunaban to department.
All right.
We are not going to stand for this. Not going to work.
Watirabo, asante sana mwanchumo liro bino kina toiko molia. Somo rodi tukolia leo. Asante sana. Naomba niseme huyo mheshimiwa ni kiongozi angepewa nafasi watu wa Machoge sana naraga iko togirie. Onyancha since 2013 rubbish is collected all the way from Nyanchua to Botori by private companies. tigasoma uchumbwe yetokore ne yomolingo soma yo and we are comfortable. Don't bring the governor to frustrations. We are what ko 2013 private company ya etu ya rogo chore ubi kurunyanchwa dochikutori 2013 oyo lipo mwembe all right
naende kicho mwezi wako anaitwa Jamunda kama kama ndo pale kuna kutumia sakas
ya
kuna kwaleta kije kije tailo elinde mara ta confusion mu majoka kati kwa bono ntwege ndotoko kwa nangelinga ki na manyensi imbarate nita kama daima kama tukomenya teze nama kao mwako enera time una kwa machorete abantu kwa bila kabali kwa kumusabwa abantu that is the only appeal.
Yes.
Lakini ngakonya kupima na chinguru it is just a waste of time na the constitutionally governor time yoko mutomo ko bute deputy yaye so ale wanja aiterere ngaki magosongo tokari
lakini tali governor mo bute to maite
governor kana is the deputy osenere CEO akana this kind of engagement sijiko na goeta I don't need them stop
all right
they will stop
mo chumuri wantume na nituma musi yego cha sumuru buri bwe ko umbu bono chinse to chia botuko na botambo kaisano chia botuko mbia muna soko nyara go chora ko tangera manintwe ko nyara go tubota kuliko jumbe chene chonse aboli non siko na nyabe kaso bwa muna konya boli ni maitenda kwa nyara ko ga somya ase margo ya bono mbia na beshimu soka kinga dishinu mwako na mangana marita mangana makomo kolendonsi to akambia muna sonya go sanga no mugusi ari kibata amanyete lakini kwa bya kikatare ngebo na kali kwa kuna kiale yo sindia lakini nda sonsi ngaite no mugusi nyo rengane mwamne ribuna ayante to ko tuna kumulika reke ndreta sobrai ati constituency na mira county ya Kisii. Mheshimiwa, asante sana. Tunadikia kibo tuko wetu.
Thank you very much.
Asoko sangamo na inte. Ulitoa kwa tena kuna samende studio, walitoa kwa tena mosiko karamya makuru samende betoni rais bona na bande. Toro wargaliyo buja, umurigaliyo to galis ko tena nicho kwa Vincent.
I like that.